She is mad.
Please, 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 please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's happening, family? Tony the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. I know you're kind of trying to block the sun from hitting my camera, but it ain't working. But hope everybody's doing well out there. It's been a long, busy week for myself, but hope you all had a great week, and looking forward to the weekend and having a little fun whenever you can. Yeah, had to get past that truck. He won't about to get in front of me, but hope you're doing well out there. Weekend's coming. Have a little fun as much as you can, but still continue to stay safe, wear your mask, and all that good stuff. So I don't have too much for you today, but I was gonna have like a unboxing of some more stuff that I got for Saddie, but that kind of fell through because got an email from the company where I ordered this stuff from, and they saying it's on back order now. So I gotta wait about 5 weeks. Kind of upset about that because I was ready to get that stuff too and install it, but it is what it is. It's all good. Can't help that. So just gotta keep moving. But anyway, see, as y'all see, I added this to my seat belt. Yes, sir. Still with the yellow. But yeah, hope you're doing well out there. As I mentioned in previous videos, I got several ideas of what else I might want to do to Saddie, but what y'all think? I still ain't heard nothing from y'all. Y'all ain't talking to me. Y'all too quiet. I ain't seen no comments. But speaking of comments, I appreciate y'all comments on Saddie. As I'm getting it right. Definitely appreciate all the comments that you all shared about Saddie, either on this YouTube right here or on Instagram. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you follow my Instagram page as well, Tony the Quiet Storm, all one word. So I have it down here. for you. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, send your comments. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. I like to hear from my followers, you know. So, you know, like I said, I can't do this without y'all. So let me hear from you. Make sure you share this with your friends and family also, you know, so we can all go up in 2021. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, um, other than that, you know, right now I'm just on my way to the job, get this money. So that's about it. Don't have too much planned for this weekend myself. I wish I can clean up Saddie like I want to, but I'm telling you, man, is anybody else getting tired of this pollen besides me? Man, I just spray off. I'm not even thoroughly cleaning her right now. I'm just spraying her off to get some of this yellow stuff off. I'm just tired of it, man. I love spring, but I hate the pollen when it comes. And I know y'all do too, because it starts affecting your allergies and all that. It doesn't affect me. I just get tired of breathing it in. And then it be so thick that you can actually see it flying. I can't stand it. Feel like something on me, like, get off me, get off me. Be like Smokey when he was running down the street in his drawers. Oh man. But yep. You all, thank you once again for tuning in to my channel and rocking with your boy. I appreciate that. I definitely appreciate that. I think I'm at like 90 something subscribers so far. You know, let's keep it up. Let's all go up in 2021. Can't do it without y'all. And to all my fellow YouTubers, man, appreciate y'all rocking with me also, man. I'm rocking with y'all as well. I might not be able to watch your videos as soon as you put it out, but I'm definitely checking you out and liking your videos, man. Keep doing your thing, man. Let's all go up in 2021, man. Let's do the daggone thing. You know what I'm saying? So, on that note, like I said, appreciate y'all once again. I know I said it about 50 times, but, you know, I can't thank you enough for rocking with me. But just know that I can't do it without you all. But first in my life, I can't do it without God. So he's definitely first. I definitely wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him. So on that note, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible as long as you continue to trust in him, believe in him, and have faith in him. Believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and trust yourself, and everything will be all right. So until the next time, holla at y'all later, family.